Well, hello, and we're back to see if you saw what you were supposed to see. I like saying that. That's a little bit of a tongue twister. See if you saw what you're supposed to see. See if you saw what you're supposed to see. Give that a try. Anyway, what you should have found, the first thing you should have found out is that when you measured the angles, they were the same. You had three pairs of the same angles. So you had an 84 in a big triangle and an 84 in a little triangle. And you had a 32 in the big triangle, a 32 in the little triangle. You had 44 in the big triangle, you had a 44 in the little triangle. Now, maybe you didn't. You probably didn't have, I'm pretty sure I didn't put these exact same triangles on your page. But this is, if you had these triangles, that's what you would have found. So you should have found out that the angles were the same. The other thing that I wanted you to notice is that big sides are across from big angles. So the biggest, and we'll go back up to these ones, this is moving kind of slow. Our big angle here is 84, and the biggest side is 12.2, and the big side is across from the big angle, and that is not a coincidence. Same thing here. The big side always has to be across from the big angle. The small side, 6.6 in this case, is always across from the small angle. Small side across from small angle, and that leaves the medium size, or the middle size, angle is across from the middle size side. Okay, so you should notice that. And then once you made those divisions, and let's do that together, I'm going to pull this out. These are the divisions for my triangles. I've got the big side of the big triangle divided by the big side of the little triangle, and that is 12.2 divided by 8.7. And I get 1.4 approximately. To say approximately, I'll put a dot over top of that. And then the next one, 8.7 divided by 6.2. 8.7 divided by 6.2. And we get about 1.4. Ooh, coincidence? Not sure. The last one, 6.6 divided by 4.7, which gives us about 1.4. So all the ratios, if you make sure that you lined up the sides properly, and then you have the big sides with the big sides and the little sides with the little sides, all the ratios are the same. And that is two ways to tell if you have a similar triangle. If all of the angles are the same, or if all of the ratios when you divide the sides are the same. And so you're going to have a little sheet now. I'm going to click on this though so that we have, whoop, that's not a click. You will have a sheet now for recognizing similar triangles. So go to that worksheet and remember you're either looking for all the angles to be the same, or you're making some division to see if the side ratios are the same.